Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Anthem. To begin registering your Anthem member portal account, open your web browser. Type in the Anthem website URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button typically located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login screen. On the login screen, find the option that says Register Now or Create an Account. Click on Register Now to start the enrollment process. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you will need to enter some personal information. Start by filling in your first name and last name. Next, provide your date of birth in the specified format. Input your email address, ensuring it is a valid and accessible email. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. This ID can typically be found on your insurance card or any official documents. Continue by entering your postal code. After filling in all the necessary fields, review your information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, look for the Submit or Create Account button. Click on that button to finalize your registration. An email will be sent to you for verification. Check your inbox for an email from Anthem. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Anthem member portal login page. Enter your email and password to log in for the first time. After logging in, you can set up any additional security features if prompted. Congratulations, you have successfully registered your Anthem member portal account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.